Thank you. I am David Paul Lucas, a teacher of P5, P4, Mathematics and Science. According to my subject, I was doing well. Some pupils are getting a good mark. Then, according to the achievement of this school, Patong Integrated Nursery Primary and Day Care School, we have achieved a lot of activity here. As today we are witnessing, we have a visitation day for 2027. Then in this school, we have got a good building in this school, and we have a good learners who have been performing well. I think today is, this year is our first day for the sitting of the PhD. I hope we are going to get the first grade of this year. I think could have been our achievement in this school. Particularly in Acoli, we are going to mark as a integrated nursery primary and school.
Well, that's very impressive. Can you tell us about how a school is treating the subject that you're teaching?
The subject I am teaching, the school is treating well because the learning aid and then the textbook have been provided according to the curriculum syllabus.
Well, so as a determined teacher, as a determined staff of this school, what is your personal goal to achieve by the end of this year?
My personal goal is, I think, talking about, as I was saying, this year is our first day. I think in this year we're going to achieve the first grade, particularly in the subject which I was mentioning. Because as a teachers we are joining hand and hand to work together so that the school performs very well.
Well, thank you very much for having you here. May you go and continue with the good work.
Thank you.